Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by the CrimePiece, and the title of the video is "Arrested Trying to Fake Movie Prop Money to Buy Stuff." Wow. Movie prop money, really? Come on, man. Let's get into it.
Hey, sir.
How you doing?
132.
132.
The other parent out there is the same.
Okay, I'm out here. There's only the one so far, but...
Okay, maybe it was a double.
How you doing?
He gave it to him. My employee gave it to
This
him.
guy here?
Fake bill.
This guy here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I tell you what happened?
Yeah.
So somebody sold me a PS5 and they gave me any cash and I didn't know it was fake.
So you're trying to get rid of it? Is that?
No, I didn't know it was. I didn't really pay attention to what it looked like, and somebody sold me a PlayStation 5, and I didn't know it was fake. So that's how I got this. I didn't look. I see how it was really nice.
What's your name? Did you just report that was somebody?
Okay.
Did you make a report with us that they gave you a? I thought I just saw a report come through like that. Have you? How many of these have you been pawning off?
So the guy, I mean, he sent me. He got me. He run like $500 worth of this. So I'm about to just.
How much more do you have on you?
Probably. I don't even know where the rest is at.
Well, what do you got in your? You got anything?
There's no cash in here. There's no cash.
You got driver's license on you?
Well, that's probably the rest of it, though. I don't know.
Okay, how'd you get up here today?
My card.
Okay. 92 Radio DL.
92, go ahead.
You have a good day.
Christian, 20-year-old male, valid. No wants.
Okay. So this guy, when did you sell this guy?
It was on Facebook, my Facebook Market, and when he blocked me on there.
Yeah, what was his name?
I don't really remember. I honestly forgot.
How long ago was that?
Maybe like a week.
A week ago?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm probably going to stop using that app because.
Yeah, everybody gets ripped off on there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I got you.
Every time this stuff happens, they always send me cash and send me this, and I don't really pay attention. So yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
You don't have more of this in your car or anything like that?
No.
No.
Go ahead.
And you said, so you knew you got that money, what, a week ago?
Yeah.
And you've just been trying to get rid of it?
Okay.
I wasn't paying attention to the motion picture. I didn't even know.
When did you realize that it was fake?
Until he showed it to me. He got one to show me.
You showed, okay. You got anything else on you right now?
No, just
nothing.
My keys, my phone.
Yeah, do me if you take that stuff out of your pocket. Yeah, nothing else. What's all this here?
My keys. That's about it.
Yeah, sit those. I got you. Nothing else?
No. Nope.
Nothing else tucked in any of your pockets here?
My shorts and my shirt.
Okay. What do you guys want? I mean, how much are you guys out from them?
Only $20.
Only 20? He only passed one
Yeah.
previously?
Previously,
We got the same bill.
same bill, but you know who's guy?
No, actually, we got the same
Yeah,
bill.
just-
So today I saw it clearly. So I thought like let's stop and inform.
already.
Has it got the same serial number? Yeah.
Look like same.
Yeah. So, like, when you bought something here with it a while ago too?
I don't know. I don't remember.
All right.
It's
So,
my first time using this.
well, how do you know?
Because about a week ago, that's what the cash he gave me, and I started using cash, and that's what he gave me.
So if it's your first time, you got more of this stuff, right?
It's my first time, like ever since I started using Facebook Market, that's where I get the deals from and all that, and cash like that. So yeah.
Okay. But when you bought, you sold it for how much money? $500 bucks?
Yeah. But just straight 20 to get it.
And then where's the rest of the money at?
I honestly don't know.
125 or your 23.
You don't know where the rest of the...
No,
I got it.
probably somewhere I don't know, somewhere at home.
Come on, bro. My guy, your story is not adding up, man. It's a good little story, like the Facebook Marketplace. I got scammed, like, you know what I mean? That part of it is okay, cool. But if you don't got more to be able to produce, like, look, I just sold the PlayStation 5, whatever, for $500, whatever. This is the bread that he gave me. I just tried to buy something real quick, but here's the rest of the money. I don't know. If you now you don't know where the money at, but he gave you cash, your story not adding up, my guy. That's crazy. And then they got another bill, probably from somebody else from earlier. Bro, when you thinking about stuff, if you gonna scheme, at least come up with a legitimate, like, you know what I mean? Like a legitimate, whatchamacallit, you know, storyline, you know what I mean? Because I'm surprised he stayed, honestly. You know, I'm surprised he stayed. That shows, you know, good character in a way, you know, because he could have been dipped, you know what I'm saying? Like, if he was really, you know, but yeah, you're done, my guy.
Well, I mean, that's
I don't really carry that much cash in me. That's about it.
I got you. You don't have anything else in your car that... No? You don't mind if we take a look real quick?
No.
Okay.
It's my friend's in the car though.
Your friend's in the car? Okay.
I was gonna get some gas and go to.
I got, which car is which the red one? All right. He's this is motion picture money. He said he got it from somebody he sold stuff to on Facebook Marketplace. So
Really? I'm gonna put my stuff back in my.
yeah, now that's your car out there?
Yeah, I pay the car note.
Okay. All right. Is everything in that car yours then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my mom's name on it.
What's that?
It's my mom's.
It's in your mom's name, the car.
Your car, but you're the
Primary driver.
of the car, and you're basically in. All right. Let's go out here. We're gonna take a look. All right.
Why would you give them permission to search your vehicle, bro? Come on, man.
Is that your buddy hanging out the corner there? Or?
I just whipped him out the door.
What's that?
I just played with him out the door.
Okay.
I don't know where they just left me, I guess.
Everybody left out of here? Is that what? You can have a seat. You can have to take a step back this way here.
Well, I got it.
In the back of yours too.
Come on.
What's that?
Do you got any weapons on you, my man?
No, you can check it.
I'm gonna check it. But look, man, I appreciate you being a little more cooperative and working with us a little bit, unlike your buddy. Spread your feet. What's this? It's your wallet? What's all this? Keys, phone. No weapons on you? Let's have a seat. I'm not gonna put you in cuffs. You've been... Sit down. I won't even put you in cuffs right now. You've been cool.
You got more fake money in the car and you already know that, and you give them permission to search your vehicle? What? Like, these bunch of idiots, man.
So, just sit tight, okay? So,
So all this money.
That's real.
Yeah, this
So
is all.
he's got the real money separate, so he doesn't
He's got the real money in his one pocket.
So he doesn't mix the money up.
Yeah.
Okay.
These guys are both. They're both. How old's that guy? Do we know? I got his.
I think you got his stuff, right? He said he's 20. He said he was 20, right? Did you run him yet?
Yeah, I ran him.
Okay.
I think he's 20.
Yeah, he's 20 years old.
What you guys got?
They're trying to buy.
Yeah,
What were they trying to buy?
They're going around passing off all this.
Sorry?
What were they trying to buy?
Yes, if he gonna buy fuel and give it to him,
He tried to buy what?
give it to him. That guy, give it to him. Buy some gas.
Oh, trying to buy gas.
We saw in the updates. Yeah.
You were
Probably
right.
the same guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I.
So they're gonna have other charges.
Yeah, we're.
It was right here at Giant Eagle.
Yeah.
The other day. Somebody sold a laptop to them, or they
They bought
money,
a laptop
yes.
with fake money.
fake
With
money.
fake money.
Yeah.
So it's probably. Let's go through this car here. Let me.
Which car?
The red one. The red one.
Towing it?
Well, we'll get there. We don't even. We gotta figure out what exactly is going on here. But I mean, the one kid was like trying to leave, and then he's like, I don't know him.
You got them both?
Yeah, we got them both.
Oh, good.
But I mean, the other kid was definitely about to dip on out of here.
Oh, yeah. You guys with gloves, or what we got?
See what
When you got here, so the one dude was inside, and that guy was out here.
Yeah, he was kind of hanging out.
Because I saw him, I'm like, this guy's got to be involved.
Yeah, I knew it.
What are the chances of the Apple computer here?
It'd be nice.
To solve 2 of 1.
This computer right here.
Did I Apple?
I don't know yet.
You guys do front or not?
I'm sorry, what did you say, buddy?
Want me to do front?
Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
No.
No, that's a school.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we've been going around.
Buying shit with fake money.
And shit with fake money, taking the change,
Right. That's right.
and then that's what they've been doing.
Oh, you could tell.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't know him. He's being weird. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, this guy, they're going.
Bring them both back.
Yeah, we tow this fucking car.
92 radio, 28.
All right, man. I need you to turn around. Okay? Turn around, put trans money.
8602, John
You are going to be coming back with us, okay? Just put trans together. Like you're praying, okay?
2018 Volkswagen.
You ever been arrested?
To a neutral,
No.
passable 47-year-old female out of Stolen, Hamilton Court, showing a valid ID in an expired CCW.
Okay, here, hold on. Let me double lock him. I don't want him to tighten up on you while we're driving, okay? All right, sit tight. Scoot in. I'm going to buckle you in, okay? What's that, Alex?
Melon THC gum. I don't know.
No, that's
Alrighty.
yeah, that's
He's a juvenile, though.
yeah, he's a juvenile. What's that?
One is, and then one's a juvenile.
One's a juvenile.
Does he have an afro?
Kind of, yeah.
Gee, these are the kids.
That's what I think.
That's what we're thinking, yeah. Because I mean, they had a big. That kid in there, the juvenile, had a big pocket full of fake money.
Who took that report?
Rios, but we're just talking about it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, I just want
Have one of them come down. Have Tony come down or something.
yeah.
Does Tony know about it? Oh, it was when Tony was still with them.
Oh, maybe it was. No, it was just recent. It was like
Wasn't it just like recent?
it was like just yesterday or something.
When was that?
You were pretty much spitting image of,
I saw the bolo come out today.
Yeah.
Well, no, not bolo, but like the, it was from,
yesterday.
must have been yesterday's.
Yeah.
There's a cell phone in there. I mean, if they're going to
take his yeah,
take the
grab
phone
those
too.
phones. Yeah, those phones are going for you know.
Okay. Whoever the phone call is.
What did he say?
He said call him.
All right. Hello? All right. Yeah, these two are like, one's got an afro, one's got dreads.
Yeah.
Both in their low 20s.
One's 20 and one said he's 16.
You said bring them both back? iPad in the car?
No, that we didn't see.
You want how about the phones? You want to take the phones?
We're gonna take the phones, yeah.
Yeah, 'cause they might have their Facebook stuff.
Okay. One's a juvenile, I guess they're saying. Just that stuff. Which one was juvenile?
This guy.
The one with the dreads looks like he's a juvenile.
Well, they both got dreads.
Oh, I thought you said
That guy's got dreads too. Right? Yeah, 20-year-old kid's got dreads.
Yeah.
Yeah, they both got dreads.
Oh, so nobody's got an afro?
Well, I mean,
Maybe he just put his hair like that.
it's got to be.
Maybe I presumptively called you Tony. I don't know.
No, we're gonna take these guys back.
But yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
they had a big pocket full of movie money.
Yeah.
It's the same one, like
It says movie on it. Yeah. Motion picture.
yeah.
Does it say on it movie money or like
motion picture purposes.
Yeah, motion picture.
where does it say that? Let me see.
Come on, like you could tell this is some amateur work, man. Motion picture, like it says it on the bills, like it doesn't even look fake. Like, I mean, it doesn't even look real. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's different levels of imitation money. You know what I'm saying? You know, you see these cases all the time, maybe on your local news station or whatever, or gas stations. A lot of times they use them at gas stations, but you got money that says motion picture on it. Like, who's really gonna look? Really? You guys ain't got nothing better to do than to just try and skim and scheme and stuff like that. Like, who are raising these kids? I do not understand it. Y'all too young to be getting in trouble like this. 16 years old? Bro, shouldn't you be out playing football or something? Shooting a basketball or something? Go read a book. God, read a book. You know what I'm saying? Play video game. Do something. Stay in the house. You out here messing up your record before you even got a chance to really use it, man. Like, you already starting a life of crime before you even hit 18. Like, you lucky you young. But the other guy, he dumb.
Come on, man.
I mean, you could feel this.
I know.
It says it clear as day on it. I cannot believe they thought this was gonna work.
I mean,
But I mean, like, if you really look at it though, quick, I guess if you don't pay attention.
Pass. This dude gets passed all the time.
for sure.
All right. I'll take this dude back.
All right.
All right, man. So, car's getting towed, okay? It's gonna be at H&H Towing. It's right down the road. Do you live in the city? Where you live?
Oh, Solon?
I know. Where in Solon?
Y'all just cut the video like that? What the heck? Yo, this is my first time reacting to y'all, but yo, that ain't even no like warning or nothing. Like, yeah, I ain't like that ending, man. Y'all just cut the video all crazy like that with a black screen. Don't even, come on, man. Y'all gotta, I don't know. Y'all gotta get y'all editing team together, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.